Traders of YouTube, welcome to Pips to Profit. This is our first video here, and we're going to bring you a loss. That's the first thing we're going to do. We're going to bring you a loss today. This trade happened earlier. I was trading NAS 100, but yeah, the channel is going to basically be about trade breakdowns, kind of like a trading journal channel, if you will, and we'll see where it kind of evolves from there. Yeah. Also, just little disclaimer, no one should take this as trading advice. I am no way in shape and form a professional trader, but I do get some wins and I do get some losses. And anyways, let's get into it. Some technical analysis here. Just going to go ahead. This is on the 1 hour time frame. I'm marking up these support and resistance areas. So I like to keep the 1 hour like a red line here, and just I like to get multiple touches. Obviously, the more touches, the better, the stronger that area is. So yeah, and yeah, we're just gonna go back over this trade, and then yeah. So when I am doing this technical analysis and marking up these zones or areas, I like to do the 1 hour. So I move from the 1 hour, and then I move down to the 15-minute, and then I'll color code that something different here. You'll see in a second, but yeah, again, just kind of looking for on the 15-minute. I'll mark up the hour zones, and then in between that I go and mark up the 15-minute, kind of like a midway zone here. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that, and then I come down here. Let's see. So yeah, come down here because it looks like it's going to be breaking that 1 hour support zone. It used to be an old support zone. It was bouncing off of it, but yeah. So let me mark this one up real quick. Perfect. And yeah, it looks like there you can see it kind of already breaking that 1 hour support zone. It bounced there. So yeah, we'll go back down to the 1 minute, and then that's where I like to get my entries, is on the 1 minute. So we can see it has broke the 1 hour old 1 hour support area. And here we go. This is kind of where the trade begins. So let's see. So yeah, I want to talk about a little bit about mindset here. I got, as you can see, it's 1 p.m. This is Eastern Standard Time, like around 1:05, whatever. And the morning was kind of hectic. I have a little 10-month-old, but we don't start our trading until about 12 o'clock. So I trade from like 12 to 4, usually Eastern Standard Time. So yeah, I kind of got in late a little bit here today, and it was a little hectic of a morning, so I was kind of a little overwhelmed getting into the market. So that's kind of like the mindset, and that's one thing I want to do, mainly when I'm breaking down all these trades that I'm going to be sharing with you, is kind of going through how I was feeling before I entered the trade, what was going through my mind, why I entered the trade, and then just do a trade breakdown and recap basically what was going on. So yeah, we're just kind of chilling here, we're watching this, and this is where we are going to enter our trade. So the reason I entered this is just because I liked how the volume was working here, and it just broke past that old support area. So yeah, it broke past the old 1 hour support area. I kind of got in a little late, like on that first red candle there after it broke. That's where I really would have liked to have gotten in, but I got in a couple candles late, as you can see. And let's see. So I have this fast forwarded, and we can see where this goes and how this winds up. So yeah, not really working in my favor at the moment. I just have the stop loss slightly above that. What we want now is to be a resistance, but because we're going for a short here. But we'll see what happens. I already told you it's a loss, and yeah, pretty much I got stopped out right there. So yeah, it sucks, but losses happen. And that's one thing we have to learn. Now, ideally, breaking down this trade, why did we lose this trade? Okay, so all good things happen. You see that it broke that old support area, that 1 hour support area, came through, and then we got into the trade right away. Ideally, I shouldn't have done this. And going back to the mindset of kind of where I was going into the market, hectic morning, kind of feeling that overwhelming feeling of being like just a rushed morning, I would say, like a go morning. But yeah, so I saw that opportunity and I wanted to capitalize on it immediately. And unfortunately, that never works in your favor. You want to let the market come to you. So yeah, I got in a little bit early on that trade. Ideally, I would have liked to see it break through that old support area, which it did, and then come back up, retest, which it looked like it was going to, retest and touch at least once or twice, but you can see it still broke past, so it still looks like it's going to be a support area here. And that's basically what I did there. What I did wrong, I just did it completely wrong. I should have waited, should have been more patient, and waited until that came back up, touched that support, and respected it. Just didn't respect it at all. Just said, this is actually really weak. It's no resistance for me. Broke right through, and continued to go up. So yeah, that is the trading breakdown of today's trade. Not a good one. Took an L, but an L is not for loss, it's for lessons. We're learning lessons out here. So yeah, until next time. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. It'll encourage me to make more videos like this, and consider subscribing. Also, when it comes to support and resistance, let me know what your rules, your confluences are down in the comments. Just curious. Really want to, try to build a community here and let people learn through others. Again, I'm not trying to give any type of trading advice. I'm just showing my trades and what I do. And if you want to share in the comments on like how you would do this, how you would have took this trade, I would love to know. Yeah, and then we'll go from there and continue learning and building together. All right, so till next time, take it easy and catch you on the next trade.